Did you make these?
Yeah.
Yes, you did, didn't you? Great job, sweetheart. Okay. Move that. Just gotta be careful so we don't run into this. We don't knock those over, okay? Okay. Ready? Here it goes. Mmm. These look good, don't they? Okay. Got the next one ready? Ready? Oopsie. You can eat it. Yeah, that tastes good. Is that good?
Yeah.
One more. Alright. Put that in there. Say yum yum yum, Daddy.
Yum yum yum, Daddy.
These are good.
It's good. You get it all open.
Well, it's kind of hard to hold the camera and do it at the same time. You can get it all over too. Alright, now, what I'll do. You want to try a little?
Yeah.
Now, for the ultimate opinion, she's going to give the ultimate opinion. Below. Alright, make sure. How's that taste?
Burger.
Is it good? Is it good? Where are you going? Getting some milk? And then when you take the leftover, what's left, and top it off on the top one. So it's a little top on there. Mom used to always have a head on each one of them. There we are. Because it'll be some settlement. This is the pack. Oh, they make the stuffed peppers. Alright. Once all that's done, then we'll put it in the oven. Make sure your racks are in the center. Okay, racks are in the center. Put these into there. And we'll keep them in for exactly 1 hour.